Best part of every day, for me, is driving to the office. This is my office. Everywhere you look, it's like a Bob Ross painting. It's truly beautiful, especially on a clear sunny day. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. I mean, it's like a wildlife sanctuary, especially for birds. You get blue heron, you got a family of geese come back every year to have their babies, and we even get the occasional bald eagle fly by. But probably my favorite bird that we get back there, or at least my most intriguing, is the osprey, also referred to as sea hawk or river hawk or fish hawk. They're like a cross between a hawk and an eagle, somewhere in between. Watching the osprey fish is unbelievable. They don't miss, there's just something special about them. The pond is a lifeline. It is the center of it all. There's something magical about that place. To really appreciate it, you have to do it from the pond. I can't think of a better office than that. We've got this old canoe back there, and well, somewhere along the line we lost the oar for it. So I was trying to think, I was like, you know what, I'll just carve an oar. And I had the idea to carve the oar as a feather, not just any feather, an osprey feather.